In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Discord account to your profile. This process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in to whop.com. If you're not already logged in, simply navigate to the whop.com homepage and enter your login credentials. These would be the same username and password you use when setting up your account or as you've established afterward. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to your profile icon. Just give it a click to access your profile. Now that you've reached your profile area, look for a tab or option labeled Connected Accounts. This is a crucial section because it allows you to manage any third-party services or accounts you want to link to your Whop profile, making sure all your activities are streamlined across these platforms. Connecting your accounts can really enhance your experience by creating more seamless interaction between services you frequently use. Upon entering the Connected Accounts section, you'll see a list of different services you can connect to. From this list, you'll need to spot and click on Discord. By doing so, you'll initiate a process where Discord opens on your device. Here's a quick tip. If you're already logged into Discord via your browser or app, it will automatically recognize your account, directing you right to the authorization page without any hassle. This feature saves time and makes the transition smooth. Once on the authorization page, you'll notice a prompt asking for your permission to link your Discord account with whop.com. It's vital here to take a moment and carefully read through these permissions. This will ensure you have a clear understanding of the information that will be shared between the services. Being aware of this ensures you're comfortable with the integration. After reviewing, and if everything looks good to you, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Authorize button. This step is crucial as it officially grants the necessary permissions and completes the connection process. After you've clicked Authorize, you will be automatically redirected back to your profile page on whop.com. If everything has gone smoothly, you should see a confirmation message or an indicator showing that your Discord account is now successfully connected to your profile. This confirmation might display as a small icon next to Discord or a clear message saying connected. It's always reassuring to see that confirmation, and it signifies that you're all set to enjoy the integrated features. And there you have it. You've now successfully linked your Discord account to your profile on whop.com. This integration can be really useful for keeping your activities synchronized across platforms or for enhancing communication with community members. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button as it really helps support the channel. Also, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.